Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Bacteria weight changes over time, and we need the average value during the first 3 hours. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. To find the average weight of the population, we must use the mean value theorem for integrals. We will integrate the function from 0 to 3 and divide by 3. Substitute the given function into our integral setup. We are calculating 1/3 of the integral from 0 to 3 for 0.1 times the quantity t squared plus 3. Evaluate this integral using a calculator or integration by parts. Dividing by the interval length of 3, the average weight is 0.418. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, avoid rushing, and trust the given steps.